Hello, and welcome back to Terminus Games with me, Geo. I'm doing a Pokemon Showdown random battle with CJ. He's sitting across the room, so you won't be able to hear him.
Oh! Probably still put on your
CJ, accept it.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Sudowoodo. And Leopard. I've never heard of Leopard. Oh, I've got some pretty good Pokemon.
Same.
Okay. You're a rock type. That makes no sense.
It disguises itself as a rock. It's not. It's petrified wood. Science.
Do I have... Okay, this will be good against you. Why, cruel world? Now you're gonna swamp out. Yep, to an electric type. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, electric doesn't resist water.
So, I'm gonna do this. Now, yep, the electric move that you are no doubt going to use does nothing to me. That is super effective, apparently. What was that?
Hidden power ice.
Oh, interesting. Okay. Okay, you can't have levitate, so
No.
yes, 2% health, now you're dead. Wait, Earthquake is super effective against you.
I'm an electric. Ground is super effective against electric.
It is?
Yeah, it's the only thing that's super effective against electric.
Huh.
There's a good kill steal.
I thought steel was.
Like, Moxie for some reason.
Wait, I thought steel was.
No, steel isn't electric resists steel.
Oh. Ground and dragon.
Okay.
What would be good against you?
It doesn't matter because I'm gonna outspeed and kill you.
How about another ground and dragon?
Burn, 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 burn.
Nope.
Oh. Who's faster is the real question.
Me, because I have extreme speed. But it does no
outrage.
damage. What wants to take an outrage?
Nothing on your team. This is a fairy type.
Well, that's a problem. Go, Tauros! Oh, well. Survived.
Yeah, Flygon doesn't have that much.
Wait, is Psychic good against you, or what's good against you?
That's something to figure it out.
Zen Headbutt. Okay, damage. I'm confused. Now another Zen Headbutt. And you're gonna switch out, aren't you? Nope, you're just gonna die.
I'm sure that every one of your Pokemon, they're all like really weakened.
I didn't show one of them. That's one of my favorite Pokemon.
Aww, I'm gonna sucker punch you.
But you failed. But I refused. Now you're gonna swap out. Nope, you're gonna sucker punch. But I'm gonna kill you. Really? If you kill me... Okay, good.
Toxic!
I still have more Pokemon.
Toxic! No!
I still have more Pokemon than you. I took out 3 of yours. Oh, Pidgeot Mega.
Yeah, but half of yours are like completely dead, so...
That's a normal and a flying. What's good against normal and flying?
Figure it out.
Nothing is. This should be good. Wow. Crit. 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 Might as well use this. Leopard. Oh, an Infernape. Is fire good against Dark?
Sure, you believe that.
Okay, it's not. Well then. Nasty plot. How about this?
What? Prankster goes above normal priority?
Oh yes, Leopard is a paraflincher. Oh crap. Get paraflinched.
Problem.
What?
I priority with vacuum wave.
Wait, does that do no damage if I don't have an item?
What? Just go.
What does it do?
Vacuum wave. It has priority. It's a 40 base power priority move.
Oh, wow.
I was gonna use it anyway, so.
Yep. Well, now you're paralyzed.
Yeah.
Fire and fighting. Might as well just use this. This thing's pretty fast. It's got like...
Priority!
Vacuum wave. What? Wait, what type move is that?
Fighting.
Oh, fighting. Go Gaster.
Sweatshirt!
What? Yes.
Bruh. Bruh.
Get para-flinched. Or paralyzed, at least.
I can't do anything. The team is suck.
Para-flinch.
How come you got a bunch of legendaries? Two.
Now the para-flinchers are on my side, CJ. The first episode they were on yours, but now I have the para-flinchers.
That'd be great.
The tables have turned, CJ. Oh, that's gonna outspeed me. Oh wait, no, that's not Deoxys speed. It's just Deoxys.
Stop being a thing.
Wah.
Oh.
Prepare to die.
Next turn, so.
Unless you outspeed me.
Alright.
Well, my other two Pokemon have like no health.
Yeah, so.
Crit.
Knocked off the leftovers. And you have extreme speed, and Deoxys is really frail, but.
Crap.
If that missed, I would have.
If that missed, that would have been amazing, because I would have won.
Alright, well, GG.
Rematch it up.
Came back to back. You suck.
Yeah, that was close. It was a close match. Executor and Kingler. Okay, I have, like, such...
Hey, you're a water type and I'm a grass type,
I have the worst Pokemon ever. I'm just gonna use this move because it has an awesome name. Crab Hammer.
Leech Seed.
Worth it. Oh, I missed.
Leech Seed.
Okay, both gonna set up.
Okay.
What? So that Executor is basically oh yeah, the Vampiric Egg Palm Tree. Again. What's good against Grass and Psychic?
I don't know. Figure it out.
This probably.
Okay.
Really?
I don't like that. But it never carries any flying type moves, so I'm not really scared.
Yeah. Oh wow.
And that does carry flying type moves, so.
Yeah, usually. Well. What else is good against grass besides flying?
Ice.
Oh, ice is. Okay. Two, 5. Come on, 5. It was very well. It hit 5 times.
Yeah. You probably have skill link of your ability.
Get this thing every single time, so I might as well use it. It's resisted.
Grass resists earthquakes.
How is that resisted?
Because it's psychic, and psychic resists psychic. How are you getting swept by an executor?
Because an executor is Vampiric Egg Palm Tree, that's a... Fine. Time to use the best Pokemon I have.
Don't. Oh, Psycho shifted. Okay.
Man, this thing is super defensive.
Oh, it's
My attack.
I think for some reason I have guts on
Yeah, you guys on the videos, just look at my attack. Okay.
No, but see what's the special attack?
Oh yeah.
Ow. I'm gonna let this thing die. Well, the more stats you built up.
Yeah, I know.
Why don't you use Psycho Shift?
Cause I know that'd be that does that.
Yeah.
Nice.
So I was saying, why don't you use Psycho? And you still have your way more money, so you can Psycho Shift it to everyone. So.
Ooh yes.
If you don't die.
I won't. Cause guess what? Did you think of this, CJ?
I know exactly what you're gonna do.
Yeah. Did you think of this? Oh, for a.
You still have leech seed in you. Okay. So no.
Oh. Man, my flame orb. Store power. 1 damage.
Store power is a lot, and every unlock is a knockoff. So.
Nice.
Alright.
Get burned.
Now you can't Psycho Shift anything else, so that's great.
Good point. I kind of wasted it. Gonna knock off again. I'm gonna roast up.
Yeah.
Okay, this thing might actually do good. The Sigillif. Okay, Poliwrath. Super effective. I might as well not do this.
Dang it, dude.
Get murderized.
How come you always get all the good Pokemon?
Sigillif is okay, but all my other Pokemon completely suck. How come I always get the good Pokemon, CJ?
Yes. Problem. This goes up your physical defense. Okay.
Still got that stupid Leech Seed on me.
I'm doing enough damage.
Yeah, especially when I can do this. Oh, wow. Well, that gives me a chance to do this.
Beat it. So my entire team has no electric types. The one Pokemon that had an ice type who died.
Oh, crit.
So I can't do anything. That's the problem.
Man, I love this thing, Cosmic and Stored Power. Plus being able to burn it. Plus being able to just burn a Pokemon. I don't have any decent ones either. Okay, substitute.
It's the only half decent thing I have.
That is? Oh.
That's silver. Oh, no, not silver.
Oh, yeah, you have Sword Stance. Okay. Just gonna Cosmic Power up. I get rid of that substitute. So. That's gonna take a turn. Crit. And now it just comes down to who's faster. Also, I've got 600 defense, so good luck.
I know, that's the problem.
Oh, man. Why?
Rematch me.
Really, did you leave?
Yeah.
Well, the video's over now, so. I mean, gonna end it in a second. So, goodbye. This has been Terminus Games with me, Geo, and CJ, and this was actually a good round. Sigillif for the win.
It was Gen 5.